Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see it, error, an unknown network error has occurred on Instagram. So how you can also fix it. So first you just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after just go to mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power the phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your iPhone. And also you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.